How to record a voiceover for your presentation. Here I'm assuming that you have your presentation in Google Slides, but really it doesn't matter because all of those tools allow you to export your slides as a PDF file. Press File, Download, and then PDF document. Now that you have it, create a new project in Mont, select Import from PDF, and then select your PDF file. Import slides. And here you have your presentation imported into Mont. Now we need to record the voiceover. To do it, switch to recording mode. Here, if you want, you can have your camera. You can also disable it and just record the voiceover. I don't mind having the camera. Press the record button or spacebar on your keyboard. As you present, you can switch between slides. Here I'm clicking 1, 2, 3, but I'm also able to use the keyboard. Once you're done recording, you can switch back to edit and, for example, adjust the camera position. By default, camera and slides are going to be linked. We will unlink them from one another so that we can edit them separately. Now I can make the slides smaller if I want to. Reposition the camera, can make it a bit more narrow and bigger if I want to. Maybe adjust a bit more. And once I'm satisfied, I can click Download, Export, and then select the file name. Export is complete, and here you go. You have your presentation voiceover.